Hello. So, 4 years and probably 400 sets of headlights, and I have not done any damage until last week. So, we're going to make it right. I got a new headlight, and now I need to restore this and get it cleaned up. As you see, there's a lot of that clear protective coating that they call it, that just fades. It's terrible. But anyway, so that's what we're going to do today. Now I'll do one more round with the polish, just finish it off, but it looks really good. And see if I can't work some more of these little scuffs out. But other than that, it's looking really good, and it'll be ready to go to swap it out. those scuffs did not come out of the main lens, but we got it looking better. We got that clear coat failure under control, and it's looking good. It's looking good. Yeah, you can see those scuffs on there. They didn't come out at all.